Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Make sure you have installed this CapCut application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And we'll be able to use this application for free to edit our video. To edit video, we need to create new project. We can click on new project right here. And then we're going to choose the video we want to edit. If you don't have any footage to be edited, you can go to the CapCut library, and here you will get a lot of footages you can use for your editing. And for example, I'm just going to use the video from the CapCut library, guys. I'm going to select scenery, and before we use the video, we need to download the video first. And after the video has been downloaded, we'll be able to add the video to our project. Okay. Like this, guys. Select the video you want to add to your project. Okay, if you want to add it to your project, you can click on add, or you can create a video collage by clicking on this collage, and then the video collage will be created automatically. And for example, guys, I'm going to create a video collage, so I'm going to select the collage. Okay, and we'll be able to customize the format like this. You can choose the format that you like, and you'll be able to change the aspect ratio as well, like this. And then after that, you can click on continue, and then you will be able to continue the editing in the CapCut project. Here you can use the editing tools in CapCut. You'll be able to add audio, text, overlay, effect, caption, change the aspect ratio, apply filter, apply sticker, do adjustment, and then apply background to your video. And for instance, I'm going to add a video effect to my video. I'm going to select video effect. And here we will have a lot of effects from the CapCut. I'm just going to select the retro effect. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect from CapCut. And I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark like this, guys. Okay, basically you can edit your video as creative as you can. Okay. Alright, and that's all the way to edit video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!